This saying ethi imfundo ayigugelwa is not true. We all know apha eMzantsi, after you completed your study, the first thing is to get yourself experience. Even if you have a diploma, a degree, or a certificate, the first thing is to get an experience. Most cases, you do what we call internship, in service training, so that you get a little bit of experience in what you have learned. So, if you look at most of internships that are advertised out there, they will tell you that from 18 to 35. That means you're already in a disadvantage. Once you are puma age 35, where will you get experience? That means you will have your degree or diploma, but no experience. And then what are the chances of getting a proper work or a job? In a case that you just want to learn and employ yourself, then it can be true that imfundo ayigugelwa. But if we're specifically looking at being employed, job opportunities, iyagugela. I could say to the young people out there who are still thinking, I still have time on my side, so I can still just have fun, I can take gap year, I can just enjoy life. You have to papa ube una 35, and it will be late to go back and fix those mistakes. So just do whatever you can and study hard, and see you to the next one.